Okay, so today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable hardware acceleration in Fedora. Like you use OBS Studio, or if you use Kdenlive and you want hardware acceleration, by default it does not work, so I'm gonna show you. The first thing you need to do is to open a terminal and you need to update your distro. Using this command, you need to update your distro. I have updated mine, so you need to update it first, then you need a restart. After that, you need to open a browser, search RPM Fusion Multimedia. This first link you need to click here, how to multimedia. Okay, then you need to click here, multimedia on Fedora, where my mouse pointer is. You need to click here and then open link in new tab. Scroll down, Fedora with DNF. You need to come here, command line setup using RPM, then copy this command, copy, then open terminal, paste it here, hit enter. It will ask your permission, then you need to press Y. I have already done this, so I'm not doing it again. Okay, so the next step is to copy this app stream metadata, copy this, then again open terminal, paste this, Control Shift V, hit enter. It will refresh the metadata, then we'll go back to previous tab, and now we'll come this part, hardware acceleration codec. So if we are using Intel and it's a recent version of Intel processor, then you need this command, sudo dnf install Intel media drivers. If you are using older version of Intel, then you need this, sudo dnf install this. If you are using AMD graphic card, you need these commands. Let's copy these, open terminal, paste here, Control Shift V, hit enter. It will ask your permission. You need to press Y. It will ask 2 times, so you need to press Y twice. I mean the first time, and then later when it asks again, then hit enter. If you are using NVIDIA, then you need to do this. Also you can do this. So that's how you can, after doing this, you need to restart your PC and you are done. Then again, when you will open OBS Studio and you will go to settings and you will go to output, and you need output mode in advance. I'm not able to do it because right now I'm recording using it, so you need to change the simple to advanced. You need to go to recording tab, and as you can see, you will be able to choose FFmpeg WAPI, which is hardware encoder. It will use a graphic card, so that's how you can do this. I'm not sure about NVIDIA or Intel, but this is, I'm using AMD, so it will show a FFmpeg WAPI H264. For NVIDIA, it will show something else, but that's how you can enable hardware acceleration in Fedora. You don't need to do anything else.